Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a very delicious recipe. This is a great dessert for Christmas time and I really like this, so I hope you give it a try. First off, you want to grate your white chocolate and get it into very small pieces. Next, you want to take some sugar in a pan. You want to add your milk and then also the gingerbread spices. Now you want to put that on your oven and cook that. Meanwhile, you want to separate your eggs and get the egg whites in a bowl. Then you want to add some food starch and a little bit of cold milk. And then you want to whisk that together. As soon as your milk boils, you can turn down the heat a little bit and then start mixing in your egg yolk mixture. And you want to whisk while you do that. You want to let that sit on medium heat until it starts bubbling again. And then you want to pour in your chocolate and let that melt completely. And then you can take it off the heat. Now you want to prepare your gelatine, so just do whatever it says on the packaging. This one had to soak for 5 minutes, then you squeeze out the extra water and you can put it in your mixture and then just whisk it in. Now you want to transfer that mixture into a bowl and let it cool down. Next up, you want to grate your gingerbread. And then you want to take some curd in a bowl. And then you want to add the grated gingerbread as well as some rum. Then you want to mix that together until it's completely combined. Last but not least, you want to mix your cream until it is whipped. Now you're ready to combine the first two mixtures and mix them together. So this is the curd mixture and the first one we did. And then you want to carefully mix in the whipped cream as well, so it's nice and fluffy. And now all you have to do is transfer it into little bowls like that, or however you want to present it, and just let it cool down and harden in the fridge. Then you're ready to present this. I really like this. I hope you try it, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!